An emblematic hotel, a unique enclave, and the beach from your dreams with a new concept. Welcome to the new Bahia Principe Grand El Portillo, mirror of the sea. The sea is, without a doubt, one of the main attractions of all our hotels. But if there's one hotel to which it's especially important, it's Bahia Principe Grand El Portillo. Its recent renovations are inspired by the sea's colours, its light, and the life that flourishes around it. Bahia Principe Grand El Portillo not only looks towards the sea, but also aspires to become a reflection of it. The sea is transformative. The water shapes the coasts, it shapes the beaches, and it draws life around it. The sea is abundance. It gives us winds to help us move. It gives us flora and fauna, and it even offers us its salt to season them. The sea is beauty. How many places are considered to be paradise because of their surrounding seas? How many works of art has the ocean inspired? The sea is peace, enjoyment, and passion. The sea is life. Picturesque and emblematic villages have developed by the sea to live off of its abundance and to be next to it. Such is the case of Las Terrenas, the source of inspiration for life in our hotel. On a structural level, the hotel is reminiscent of a fishing village, with its main square through which daily life passes, its fish market, and a host of activities that all connect with or depend on the sea. These renovations are based on the three core strategic ideas of the company: innovation and development, digitization, and sustainability. At El Portillo, the focus is on the environment, causing minor effect on the native vegetation, undertaking definitive action to recover and repair the mangrove, and planning a native plant nursery. In the world, as in our hotel, everything revolves around water, life, fun, relaxation. That's why we have a large water mirror in the center of the hotel. 828 meters squared of swimming pool with a marine hue as crystalline and warm as the ocean that surrounds it. Inside the water, life also unfolds in different ways. There are water lounges, a wet bar, and space for the little ones. From a bird's eye view, the sand's color blends with the coral of the soil, giving a feeling of harmonious connection and nature. Our El Limón buffet takes its name from one of the most visited and spectacular natural places in the area, an abundant and ever-flowing waterfall. This is our buffet, inexhaustible, fresh, free, and very local. Meats, fish, salads, pasta, Creole dishes, and a special corner for those who want to take care of themselves, as well as a children's buffet and another one full of desserts with endless options. So much color, abundance, and flavor blend perfectly in a clean and peaceful setting with a colonial tropical style, with hues from the jungle and the sand, along with a splash of lemon. La Terrienne Gourmet Restaurant. Who would have imagined that in this remote place, in the heart of the Dominican Caribbean, there was a restaurant with a classic edge and refined lines, where the white of its moldings perfectly complements the highest quality French cuisine. Most likely nobody imagines that just 2 miles away, you can find Las Terrenas, a picturesque town that owes its fame to the French colony that settled here in the 70s. Fish Market Restaurant, a place to taste the sea in its purest form. Beautiful wild catches, wood from ships worn by the wind and salt, octopus and lobster traps that fill the atmosphere with entangled nautical lighting. And you still haven't looked down to inspect the menu. You'll forget that you're in a restaurant or in a market. For a moment, you will forget everything, and you will simply taste the sea in its purest form. And if you want to taste it in private, you can reserve the La Pecera room. The Greek Mediterranean Restaurant, a corner of the Peloponnese where time has stood still. Here you'll find the dishes from the cradle of civilization, with offerings originating from islands where ingredients from the garden, land and sea combine in a simple and masterful way. A rustic but well-cared-for environment in which materials such as mosaic, raffia, ceramics and wood culminate in an entirely Greek experience. Sports Bar, a bar with distinction but full of life. In its interior, in a more adult environment, couples and friends gather around cocktails that clash to the rhythm of the winning of goals, baskets and sets. There are 8 screens so as you don't miss a single detail of sports news. Outside is a porch for all kinds of fun. Game islands for friends and families where sports like table football or billiards are king. And after a great match, there's a large terrace where you can celebrate your victory to the sound of good live music. Showroom for events. In a unique place, you'll only find unique celebrations. In our event showroom, you can see all the elements and materials and options for decorations, spaces and cuisine, with the help of our planner, personalizing every last detail. The remodeling of the Bahia Principe Grand Portillo is a project that is near and dear to us, as it reflects all essence of that sea that is always with us. The sea created the perfect place. We have only reflected ourselves on it. Welcome to the new Bahia Principe Grand El Portillo, Mirror of the Sea.